Sexism and misogyny are kissing cousins to racism. If a person believes that your role in life is based on the reproductive organs you are born with, it is not a big leap to recognize that that same person could believe that your skin color is a indicator of your lot in life as well. So that is the reason why I do not allow sexism or racism on my page, because how we are born is not up to us. And how I was born is not going to dictate my role in life. Now, why do I say all of this? This man, Richard Florida Grown, he says chores are a woman's job, and I will never clean, never do dishes, and never do laundry. That's not my place. You women need to accept your role and do as told. So he woke up and decided to put me and all women in our place because he was born with a male appendage. He gets to put me as a woman in my place. I told him, that's cute. I'll let all the ladies know. And then he said, you'll find the right man and he'll put you in your place. The internet and social media is making women think too much. Put the phone down and get back to folding laundry. So, like I said, these people are so audacious and entitled that they feel that being born male is enough to be able to order us around, that makes them a higher class, that women are second class. And I do block these people, but I use their words as content because they are saying this loud and clear. And this is the reason why lots of women are opting out, because our roles are not simply to be servants to males. We are not born to serve them. And if you believe that you are born to serve a male, that is perfectly fine. I mean, we all have to cook and clean. But this person believes simply being born male means that he does not have to participate in housework. And this is the reason why a lot of women are like, I'll just make my own money and stay single. So, but this man decided to put me in my place. He also had another comment saying military men need to pick better quality women to be their wives. These ungrateful women don't deserve the house you bought, the furniture, and the cars you bought either. She needs to clean and keep her mouth shut. This is precisely why, ladies, you need to have your own. Even if you become a housewife, you need to have the foundation to go back to work if necessary, if someone starts treating you like a second-class citizen, because you're more than that. Get in the comments. Tell me what